Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handshake. It's a universal gesture of greeting and agreement. Let's get started. Meaning. A handshake is a noun that refers to the act of two or more people clasping and shaking hands as a gesture of greeting, agreement, or goodwill. It's a common and culturally significant way of establishing a connection, often used in business, social, and formal settings. Pronunciation. Pronounce handshake as ́hændɪk, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. They sealed the deal with a firm handshake. 2. The handshake is a traditional way to greet someone in many cultures. Synonyms. Synonyms for handshake include greeting, clasp of hands, or hand grip. Conclusion. A handshake is more than just a physical contact. It's a symbol of trust, agreement, and connection. It bridges gaps and fosters communication in diverse settings. Thanks for joining us, and may your handshakes always be warm and genuine, creating lasting connections.